In this video, I will show you how to test an SG90 Servo motor using an Arduino Uno. First, let's look at the final result. The servo motor can move smoothly to different angles. For this project, you will need an Arduino Uno, an SG90 servo motor, and jumper wires. Now, let's connect the servo motor. Connect the red wire to 5 volts, the brown wire to ground, and the signal wire to digital pin 9. The Arduino uses the servo library to control the motor position. By setting different angle values, the servo moves accordingly. Finally, let's test the servo motor. Make sure the power connection is stable for smooth movement. You can download the full Arduino code from the description below. Thank you for watching.